Edit photos like a pro with AI. There is a moment every photographer knows. You have a great shot. The composition works, the subject is sharp, the light is almost exactly right. And then you spend 45 minutes removing a background element that keeps catching your eye. Or trying to match the color grade from your last shoot. Or fixing the skin tones that looked perfect on camera and slightly wrong on the laptop. AI editing tools in 2026 have not replaced that judgment. What they have done is compress the mechanical part, the part that was never creative, just time-consuming, from hours to seconds. This is the honest guide to the tools that have actually earned a place in a working workflow. Not the ones with the best marketing. The ones that are still open when the job actually needs to get done. First, a distinction worth making clearly. AI image generation, Midjourney, DALL-E, Adobe Firefly's generative features, creates images from text descriptions. AI photo editing works on photographs you already have and modifies them. Removing objects. Changing backgrounds. Adjusting lighting. Enhancing resolution. Cleaning up imperfections. Different tools, different use cases, different skills required. This video is about the editing side. Starting with the most capable option. Adobe Firefly inside Photoshop. The two features that have had the biggest practical impact are Generative Fill and Generative Expand. Generative Fill lets you select any area of an image, describe what you want in its place, or leave the field empty and let Firefly fill it intelligently based on the surrounding context. The quality is high enough for professional output in the majority of use cases. And Firefly is trained on licensed content, which matters if you are using images commercially. Generative Expand extends an image beyond its original boundaries. A portrait shot in landscape orientation can become a square image without cropping the subject. A horizontal image can be extended to fill a vertical social media format. The limitation: this requires a Creative Cloud subscription. If that is a barrier, here is the alternative. Luminar Neo is the strongest standalone option for photographers who want powerful AI editing without a subscription to an entire creative suite. AI Sky Replacement, Portrait AI for retouching, Gen Erase for object removal. One purchase. No ongoing subscription for the core features. For e-commerce and product photography specifically, Photoroom is purpose-built for exactly this workflow. Background removal is near instant. AI background generation creates studio-quality settings from text descriptions. Batch processing applies the same background to hundreds of product images simultaneously. If you are running an online store or regularly shooting products, Photoroom is likely to pay for itself in the first week. For recovering and enhancing image quality, Topaz Photo AI is in a category of its own. Upscale a low-resolution image by 4 times with realistic added detail. Sharpen motion blur. Reduce high ISO noise while keeping texture. These are tasks where AI and traditional methods are not close. And for lighter use cases, social media, quick edits, occasional projects, Clipdrop and Remove.bg offer background removal that is good enough for most web applications, with free tiers that cover meaningful volume. 3 failure modes worth naming before I wrap up. AI-generated fill looks convincing at a glance and can be wrong on close inspection. Always zoom in before calling an edit finished. Batch consistency can be a problem across large series. Review batch output manually for any project where visual consistency matters. And commercial licensing varies by tool. Check the terms before using AI-edited images for commercial publication. Subscribe for the rest of this AI image and video series. And drop a comment below, which part of your photo editing workflow takes the most time right now.